Yes. Welcome back, ladies and gentle G's. You don't know, say yo, I'm your host, Negusimara, and welcome to Negus Speaks. You understand? You don't know, say more because the family, but yo, I would like to grow this family. So if you want to be a part of the One Nation or a Nationite, just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. You understand? You don't know, welcome all around. But we just get right into the meat of the matter. I wake up this morning to one of my sister in DM, and she DM me something I don't like at all. I never like when I sit, I never like when I hear. You understand? This is a video of Kimmy K Loud of 876. Making a video, you understand, to make it known that you have grown men that are threatening her in her DMs. As she claims, for World Dawg. I don't know how true it is or whatever. I'm just going based off what she said. She didn't show any evidence or any DMs of men threatening her, but I don't think someone would be lying like that. And to be honest with you, being in this comedic space, I believe that there are maniacs or fanatics that would go to that extent, because I can tell you, I have had threats made on my life already by men that are fans of other men. Sound weird. Sound very weird. Very weird. I'm not going to call no name or nothing like that, because at the end of the day, you're not going to say, oh, yo, you just see it, pan, such and such, you're bad mind, everything a bad mind to it. But we're just getting at the meat of the matter and play the video of Kimmy K Loud and what she has to say. Let's go.
Good morning, people. I never planned to do a video like this, yeah, but I'm going to do it. Alright? I realize from episode 7 come out, I pay a threaten me I get in my inbox. I pay a big mouth long cocky man account threaten me in my inbox for World Dawg. I take off my wig. I don't have no makeup and I don't have no eyelash on my face. Any wish part to see me on road and feel like so you can do me something, please me I beg you no try. I'm not afraid of Una, I'm not afraid of World Dawg. I say what I say, I'm not take it back. If you don't must want World Dawg to fuck you. I don't want World Dawg, I'm not fancy of a World Dawg. So anything you want to feel like you don't want to do when you don't see me, please me I beg you no try. See me and my face is I mark all my tattoo them. I'm not afraid of no. Long seed man, we a look man. I can't believe so now cause woman for man. A straight up Batman thing that you know.
Yes, definitely I agree. No phone now, waste man to the 10th degree. You understand? No, as I said before, I don't believe that Kimmy K is lying. You understand? I mean, she have a few choice words for a couple of the competitors on 876 Roommate and you know a lot of followers of the TV show. Them have a few things to say about Kimmy K Loud as well. You know, them say she bad mind, them say she hate pan Lexi, and this is not me saying anything. I'm reading the comments. You understand? I like read comments and see what people are saying. So the people them are say under episode 5, 6, 7. Say, oh, she a bad mind Lexi, she negative, she not have nothing to say, whatever. People are entitled to say whatever the hell they want to say. Let me just say this. First of all, if you think she bad mind, okay. If you think she hating pan Lexi, okay. If you think she not have nothing good to say, okay. But always remember this. People are entitled to say what they want to say. No, if them go boom now and touch you, problem that. Deal with it accordingly. You understand? So, she's allowed to say whatever the hell she wants to say, but let me just say this. I know World Dawg didn't send nobody into her DMs for threatening the girl. World Dawg is a stepper. And them have steppers around him. And I don't think let me just say, I know World Dawg ain't going to send nobody into her DM. It's the fanatics. The people them who love World Dawg so much and don't want nobody say nothing negative about him, are them are the one to take it up. And feel they need to approach the girl with violence. She's a female. How manly are you to go in a woman in a woman DM and threaten her? Bro, you're a batty man, bro. Threatening a female, bro. You are representing World Dawg, bro. And World Dawg didn't authorize that. Me know that. As me say, World Dawg a stepper. Una misrepresent the man movement. Una give the man movement a bad name. And I be a little boy. I just bet I be a little boy. I just know say I be a little boy. I threaten the woman in her DM. She's a mother. She is a mother. She has children. She got tell me say you lick down she. You can lick her down for another man. We never tell you if you lick her down. Because as I say, World Dawg is a stepper. And him have steppers around him. So you look like a whole clown. All I want to win the girl DM, bro, una misrepresent World Dawg and the movement. Una get a bad name, bro. Una chill, bro. You can't give the man movement such a bad name, brother. If you say you're a part of World Dawg movement, bro, you have to represent it to the highest, bro. You can't move shit, you can't move like a clown, my G. As much as you see World Dawg, I go on with foolishness on the internet, bro, he's a very serious man in a life, brother. World Dawg would have never authorized something like that. I know that. So just take it easy and stop threatening the woman, brother. She's a female. You know enough of uno? Enough of uno are the same type of man where will scroll past a man comment, but quick figure answer a woman comment. Scroll past the man them comment. We are check you. Scroll past it. And go answer one female. Enough of uno that. You don't threaten females, bruh. First of all, enough of them, majority of them weaker than you. That's biology. Them weaker than you. This is all them have. This is all them have. These are them strongest weapon. And if you as a man, can you claim you're a man though? If you as a man make this get to you, because she never talked to you personally, you know. She said what she said about World Dawg. And what she got to say, she never said nothing about World Dawg and say everything good about everybody. She said things about everybody. I don't see Lexi fans running up in our DMs. I don't see who else she talk about. What name? Baba J. I don't see she sending them for them fans. I said nothing about the woman. Yo, that's chill, bruh. Yeah, misrepresent the man movement, bro. World Dawg wouldn't stand for this, bruh. Come on, bruh. As I said, that man a stepper, bro. And if you consider yourself a true stepper, you wouldn't need a woman DM, bruh. If you consider yourself a true stepper, bro, you wouldn't even active on social media like that in the first place, bruh. You understand? So no found for Bill, brother. No found run up in a people in my inbox. Not for World Dawg though, but for other people when I talk about. Bro, and I let you know this right now, bruh. A lot of y'all are pussy, bro. Straight up. We're not clown. In a social media inbox. Yeah, waste man, brother. You see me? Kimmy K Loud. You understand I don't know you. And you know what I mean? That's the thing that I just want to say. Big up yourself because at the end of the day, we don't want to see nothing empty. You see me, mama? So those blessings and honor. Keep safe. I know so you're here or anything. Just protect yourself and you will be fine. You understand? Up move. You don't know say One Nation and Imara Nation. You see me? Make sure it subscribes. It subscribes me. Just subscribes me. Hit the subscription and hit the subscription bell. You understand? Up move. Subscribes me.